Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to see elevation gain in Strava. Do you want to track how much you're climbing or on your rides or runs? Here's how to see it. Anyways, it will take a few steps. You just need to get the app first and to make sure that you already have an account on the Strava. So yeah, after that you will just head over into you right here, and as a note you can get the app from the Play Store, even the App Store. It depends on which phone you have, iOS or Android system. And yeah, you just need also to have an account and prefer to have the subscription too. So right here, how we can find the elevation gain. It's so easy and so simple to find it. You don't have to scroll on your progress, etc. You just need to go into you right here in the bottom right corner, as I told you, and then you need to go into see more of your progress. And right here, as you can see, I want you and I prefer to go to the all sports right here. And if you want to see the progress of only one sport, you can just go into that specific sport or stay on the sport that you already choose. So for too many people, they prefer to go into all sports right here to see the progress in general. And right here, as you can see, I have some options right here. One of them is elevation gain. So tap on elevation gain, and that's how you can find it. So this is how to see elevation gain in Strava. You can see it even for 1 month or last 3 months, 6 months, even 1 year. Anyways, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.